What's up, little dude? What up, boy? What's good, homie? I see you walking. You walking next to me? Come on now. We got the cutest puppy ever. Yeah. Ow, that hurt. Ah, and then she hits me in the nuts. Okay.
Yeah.
Happy. Oh.
Oh damn.
Look at you.
He was a little.
You're so hyper.
She is now.
That's my best friend's dog right there. AKA my dog, since she's my best friend, so you know, that's my dog now. Whoo, boys.
Sure do got a pretty mouth.
Wood in the fire pit, schwink. Oh, well, that was a terrible throw. Okay, let go.
Right in my schnoz. It's turned off right now?
No.
You still gotta...
It's rolling, baby.
It's rolling, baby.
Yo, they're putting all this pressure on me to pick out alcohol that I'm not drinking because I'm family friendly.
You're just gonna go for some white wine.
Ooh, yes, some bubbly, some champagne.
A little mimosa. Oh, they got a case of Stubbs.
Then just get the case of Stubbs. Forget about it.
Put that back. You can't afford to fun pack Napoleon.
This is what happens when you are friends with a bunch of Italian guys. They talk a lot of nonsense.
Right?
Woo! Look at this fire, guys. Yeah, we having a good time out here.
Oh, hell of a time.
Heck yeah, we are.
Yeah, this is the vlog, so you can say what's up. I don't know you, but what's up? Yeah, you do. Over here with the tiki torches. He's trying to set off like an island fire or something. He thinks that we're on a whole different island. I have no clue.
You drink enough, you're on any island you want to be on.
I'm afraid to get too close to this fire because I can feel it from here. I can feel it from here. Anyway, this is my best friend in the whole wide world.
I hope you actually hit the button to record.
I did.
I don't know if your camera's on. Your camera's not on, bro.
Yeah, your camera's not on, man.
Okay.
Is it on?
I'm like, we're on camera right now, man.
These people over here are so messed up, bro. They don't even know that I'm filming them.
No, he ain't.
Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
He said,
What? Say that again.
He said, say hello. I said, hey, I don't understand the problem here.
The way you
ask
said
for
it.
certain things if you don't want me to say hello.
You'll turn up for the vlog, right?
Sure.
Alright. Go hop in that bonfire pit.
Go hop in it? Or
Hop over it. Hop over it.
Fuck that. I gotta make it to the crib. You about
yeah,
right.
I gotta drive him home, dude. You asked for too much here.
I ain't gonna lie.
Look, guys, we got two people to shotgun some bears. Alright. So this is Josh and this is Dan. Ready?
you gonna pop that top now or next year?
Wow, Dan finished before you, bro. Two. You gonna win again?
I'm gonna win the game.
He's gonna win again.
Alright, man, get this time.
Josh won. Pop the top, pop the top. You won. Got him.
What are you? What are you, dude?
I don't understand why the only competition is me right now.
What are you, bro?
A guy knows how to party.
He won all of them. Why am I the one being challenged? He's ready to go.
Water only.
Alright, boss.
Hey, you want a shotgun of water? Thank y'all for making it to the end of the vlog. I know y'all seen those numbers counting up at the bottom. Go ahead and leave that in the comments below what you think that was. Also, follow me at ThatKidJB on Twitter and Jacoba on Instagram. Comment me something if you made it to the end of the video. Comment me what, bro?
Car alarm Mike. Here we go.
Car alarm Mike. Go ahead and hit me with that car alarm Mike down in the comments below. Let me introduce my nephew to the channel. Probably gonna be on there a little bit more.
Then we'll keep it fun. Y'all keep viewing my Uncle Josh. He be turning up. When I'm in the vlog, it's gonna go way up. So, yeah.
He goofy. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Go ahead and subscribe.
Like, comment.
And go ahead and smash that notification bell so you know every time I upload, baby. Peace.